For intros, I'll just get right into the video. So it looks like the Quant price in the 4-hourly time frame had a fake out right here of the symmetrical triangle which we have spotted in my previous Quant video. But the Quant price basically just dumped right back into the triangle and continued instead the move to the downside. So again, if you guys remember the target, I said this could either be a symmetrical triangle or a bear pennant. As you guys can see, this is the pole and this is the pennant. So I mentioned my targets either way. If this was a pennant, we could see a dump that's going to bring us to a price target of around 105 US dollars. But however, if this was a symmetrical triangle, we could still see the Quant price dump to the same support zone right here near the support zone at 107 US dollars. So yeah, the target is gonna be a dump towards this support zone. That was what I have mentioned basically in my previous video. So right now I am expecting the price with a high likelihood could continue moving to the downside towards support right here. And what I have come to realize lately based on the charts right here is that if we move to a brand new, let's say clear chart right here, you guys can see that within this new chart there is support and resistance currently acting for the Quant price. Let's just drag this. This is resistance and this is support basically for this time period right here. You guys can clearly see that there is support and resistance currently acting right here for the Quant price in the 4-hourly time frame as well in this new chart. So what I am currently expecting right here is that the Quant price for a couple of days or weeks, we could see the Quant price basically just trade or move within this vicinity right here, because that's what it basically looks like right now. So it's going to be a pretty boring price action. But obviously at some point, if we move this even more to the right, at some point the Quant price will decide which way it's going to break out of. If we break out of resistance right here, we could also expect higher prices to come for the Quant price. But if we do break to the downside, we could see the Quant price move even lower or have a push even lower to the downside. So now let us move back to the original charts. Yeah, back right here. Again, I've been mentioning this a lot of times that we are waiting for this crucial moment to come. And that moment is if the Quant price finally manages to have a break above this trend line. Because again, I said this a couple of times, I am going to stay bearish if the Quant price remains below this trend line because it's acting as resistance. So if we never see a break above this trend line, then this will always act as resistance and we cannot expect higher prices unless we do break above this trend line. But if we do, however, see the Quant price have a break below this support zone, or if you guys can clearly see right here, specifically at the price level of 106 US dollars, if we do break below 106 US dollars, that is where we made this swing low right here. A break below $106 could signify that we're going to be continuing to the next support zone, and that's around 100 US dollars right here, as you guys can see. So that is basically the quick update. Nothing much has happened for the Quant price action. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, and don't forget to sign up and Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. And don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos, and you can also talk to the members of the server.